Welcome everyone, welcome. Today, we're tracking the birth of the legendary Boeing 787-8 from scratch.
Witness the composite carbon fiber weaving, making the 787 lighter and stronger.
The center wing box, the structural heart of this aircraft, is secured.
Laser alignment locks the forward fuselage into the main body seamlessly. High-pressure hydraulic and fuel lines are meticulously routed through the wings.
Miles of advanced fiber optic wiring are routed to power the digital backbone. Baked under intense heat and pressure, the fuselage cures to perfection. The massive swept-back wings are attached to the main fuselage structure.
Installing the aerodynamic nose cone and high-strength cockpit flight deck windows. Horizontal stabilizers are fitted next to ensure maximum pitch control in flight. The iconic vertical tail fin lowers into position for ultimate directional stability.
Heavy-duty passenger and cargo doors are hung and electronically tested for seals.
The bare composite hull receives an anti-corrosive primer coat for surface prep. Applying the striking official Dreamliner blue livery across the massive airframe. Look at that perfect, flawless coat shining under these lights. The iconic Boeing branding and decals are applied with laser precision. Floor grids and overhead luggage bins are installed inside the cabin structure. Advanced insulation blankets line the interior for temperature and noise control.
Ergonomic passenger seats and premium galleys are bolted down securely.
The state-of-the-art glass cockpit avionics and digital displays come alive.
Installing the heavy-duty landing gear and massive wheel assemblies now. And now, the hydraulic retraction test, fitting the nose landing gear and high-intensity LED taxi headlights.
Sealing the aerodynamic front cockpit windshield for high-altitude pressure durability.
Mounting the aerodynamic engine nacelles with noise-reducing chevron teeth design. The massive, ultra-efficient Rolls-Royce Trent 1000 engines are finally attached.
Behold, the fully assembled, ultra-realistic Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner, ready to rule the skies. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Earth Haven 0.2 for our next epic adventure.